this is with Dr. Shrink, and today we're going to be unboxing the Rapid Shrink 100 propane heat tool kit. Alright, so here we have the Rapid Shrink 100 propane fired heat tool kit. This heat tool puts out roughly 100,000 BTUs. It's really meant to be an economical option for the DIY situation. So for somebody, doing their camper, their own boat, or patio furniture, things of that nature, this is a really good economical choice for that situation. This heat tool has this head on this heat tool can rotate in 90-degree fashion, and it also, there is a 3-foot extension that is available for this heat tool as well. Alright, so in addition to your Rapid Shrink 100 propane heat tool, you'll have your 25-foot propane hose, your regulator that goes into your propane tank. You'll also have a set of heat welding gloves and safety glasses. You'll have your manual for your tool, and you'll also receive an Allen wrench in case you need to adjust your propane valve set screw that is located right here on the trigger. In addition, all of our Rapid Shrink 100 heat tool kits come with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty.